In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or limit the Add Friend option on your Facebook profile. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on How people find and contact you. Here, tap on Who can send you friend requests. To limit friend requests, change the setting from Everyone to Friends of Friends. After that, go back and tap on Profile and Tagging. Here, you can review your profile privacy settings. For example, you can choose who can post on your profile and who can see posts on your profile. If the Add Friend option is still appearing or not updating correctly, you can try refreshing the app. Open your device settings, go to Apps, find Facebook, then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, reopen Facebook and check your profile again. And that's it. You've successfully limited who can send you friend requests on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.